Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can send GIFs to your friends in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Signal app on your phone. After that, what you need to do is click on any chat with your friend and you can see the sticker or emoji on the left hand side. Go ahead and click on it and you can see the GIF option. Go ahead and tap on GIF and you can see some of the GIFs over here. It can also be categorized. You can just go ahead and swipe and see all of the GIFs which is categorized according to these symbols. So you can go ahead and send the GIFs according to your wish. So you can see the SD version option over here. You can choose the standard or SD quality and you can see the difference itself. So it's quite easy. Just go ahead and do this. And you can also choose how many times the person can view it. Go ahead and click on send and you can see the GIF has now been sent. And you can also search for the GIF to this search bar. So let's suppose I want to send something like good night to someone. I'll just go ahead and type good night and I'll send the sticker which I want. As soon as I click send, the sticker will be sent and the person can view it. So you can see the GIF will be automatically played if it is a standard mode, but if it is in the high quality mode, you can see that it will be sent as in form of a media. So you can easily use the GIF functionality given by Signal this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.